Hi, I'm Kevin Conroy with the Smith's Marina Group, and today we are going to walk through installing the new Xantrex TRUEcharge3. These chargers come optimized for Xantrex batteries right out of the box, and if you are going to use another manufacturer of lithium batteries with this charger, we're going to walk you through how to set that up today. To configure for a different lithium battery, have the unit set for custom battery type. You can confirm this when all the battery chemistries are illuminated. Press and hold the battery type button for more than 5 seconds and then release it. Once in modification mode, the absorb voltage LED will start flashing, along with the charge stage LEDs. Press and hold the battery type button for 3 seconds. Then quickly release it to cycle through the absorb voltage settings. Select the voltage that matches your battery's requirement. Check the recommended voltage level from your battery's manufacturer. Then refer to the chart displayed on the screen to match LED icons with the correct voltage setting. Each LED corresponds to a specific voltage in float and absorption mode. Next, you will want to set the float voltage. Press and hold the battery temp button until the LED pattern changes to the float voltage adjustment mode. Press the battery type button again to cycle through the available float voltage settings. Selected both your absorb and float voltage settings, press and hold the battery type button for more than 5 seconds to save the new settings. When the LEDs stop flashing, your custom settings are saved. And that's it. You have now successfully finished configuring the lithium settings on your Xantrex TRUEcharge3. Happy boating!